unpacking the phrase, "I hate running late." Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and uncover the meaning behind everyday phrases and expressions. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase that you might hear in daily conversations, "I hate running late." By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how you can use it in your own conversations. So, let's get started. "I hate running late" is a phrase that combines a strong emotion with an action many of us find ourselves doing against our wishes. To break it down, "I hate" is a powerful way to express dislike or displeasure towards something. It's stronger than just not liking something. It means you really don't want it to happen or to be associated with it. Running late refers to the situation where you are behind schedule or not on time for an appointment, meeting, class, or any event that has a set start time. It's the opposite of being punctual, which means being on time or even a bit early. When you put these two together, saying, "I hate running late," means that you strongly dislike or find it unacceptable to be behind schedule or late for appointments. It reflects a value for punctuality and a respect for other people's time as well as your own. Being punctual, or on time, is often seen as a sign of respect and reliability in many cultures around the world. When someone says, "I hate running late," they're not just talking about their personal dislike, they're also signaling a couple of important qualities about themselves. 1. Responsibility. They take their commitments seriously and make an effort to manage their time well. 2. Respect for others. They understand that being late can inconvenience other people and potentially disrupt plans or schedules. This phrase can be particularly useful in professional settings, such as job interviews or meetings, but it's also relevant in social situations, like gatherings or dates. It communicates that you value and respect the time and effort of others. You can use "I hate running late" in various contexts, but it's most effective when you're explaining your actions or setting expectations. For example, apologizing for being late. "I'm so sorry I'm late. I really hate running late, but there was unexpected traffic." Setting expectations. "I might leave a bit early to catch the train. I hate running late for appointments." Expressing personal values. "One thing about me is that I hate running late. It just feels disrespectful." Remember, while it's a useful phrase for expressing a dislike for tardiness, it's also important to strive not to be late in the first place. Actions speak louder than words, after all. "I hate running late" is more than just a simple statement about not liking to be late. It's a reflection of values such as responsibility, respect, and reliability. Understanding and using phrases like this can help you communicate more effectively in English, showing not just what you think, but also what you value. We hope this explanation helps you in your journey to mastering English. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the English language. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.